Let's look at the getting started section. This guide covers the prerequisites and the tools you need to start building blocks. Fine. And in Airtable, all the blocks are going to be built with JavaScript and React.js. If you don't know JavaScript and React, it's a little difficult to work with this, but it's not impossible, because you can copy. There are a lot of examples that are provided here, and you can copy and paste all of these, and you can work with that. For example, if you look at API reference, let's click on something. You will find that it comes with code samples which you can just copy and paste, and it will still work. Okay, now let's go back to guides. Yeah, if you need some help with getting started and all that stuff, that is all this example. So the first thing that we need is Node.js install. You will need Node.js 12.1.12.14 or higher. So I recommend you go to Node version manager and first install this Node version manager nvm. And once this Node version manager is installed, you can go to your terminal and type nvm install 12. Now if you do that, it is going to install the latest version. You need at least 12.14 and the latest version is 12.16.1. so it will install Node 12.16.1 for you. Okay, next let's learn how to build a hello world block. Okay, learn how to create your first block.